So lesson number 8, the difference. You have to recognize the letters mud letters and lean letters. So now you have to tell me how many are there mud letters and lean letters.
Mud letters.
Yeah.
So as far as mud letters is wow would be one mud letter.
Okay, wow and dhamma before wow. If there is wow sakin and dhamma before it, so that is wow mad.
Wow mud.
And if there is fatha before alif,
would be ya mud.
No. Fatha before alif.
Oh, fatha before alif.
That is alif mad.
Alif mad, yes.
So if there is fatha before alif, that is alif mad. And if there is a dhamma before wow sakin, wow has sukun on it and dhamma before it, so that is wow mad. And if there is kasra before ya sakin, kasra before ya sakin, that is ya mad. So all these letters are called mad letters, and these are 3: alif, wow, ya. But 2 letters are there called lean letters. I mean, wow and ya.
Wow and ya, yes.
Same. Wow and ya was in mud letters, and now wow and ya are lean letters. But when they are lean letters and when they are mud letters, if there is dhamma before wow or kasra before ya, and those are sakin, so those are mud letters. And if wow and ya are sakin and fatha before both of them, those are lean letters. And what is the difference between lean letters and mud letters? You have to lengthen equal to 1 alif. You have to lengthen for 1 alif mud letters, and there is no need of lengthening in lean letters. You have to recite them quickly. Like there is hamza fatha waw sukun aw tawbatan mauti yawma idin. And next to yawma idin in this box, these are mud letters. I mean wow mud. Yasumun, not yasumun, takunu, qu'udun. So lengthen for a second, do not lengthen, I mean quick sound. Take a look these example and figure out which is short and which is lengthened. So this one is, let me know, this one is qawmuna. This one is short or lengthened?
Lengthened.
Lengthened. Qawmu, qaw.
Qawmuna. Oh, okay, that's quick. So
yeah, qaw is quick, and na is quick or lengthened? Qawmuna.
It's quick.
Qawmuna, na
is actually lengthened, yes.
Yeah, na, because there is alif mad, na.
Yes.
Fatha before alif. And taskununa. Wow in taskununa. Quick or lengthened?
Lengthened.
Perfect, mashallah. And ya'buduna.
That one's also lengthened.
Yalqawna.
So the wow is one, so that one's also lengthened.
Yalqawna is lengthened. I don't think.
Actually it's short, not lengthened.
Yeah, this one is short. Qaw. Just you have to say qaw. And if it would be dhamma on qaf and before was, so yalquna, qu. Now this is qu, so this is lengthening.
Okay.
So this is the difference between mud letters and
ya letters.
Yeah, mud letters and lean letters. Lean letters.
Leen Letters.
Yes. So remember, 3 letters are there: alif, waw, ya. Alif is always mud letter if there is fatha before it, and waw sometime mud and sometime lean letter. So which time is mud letter and which time is lean letter? If there is dhamma before waw sakin, that waw is mud letter, and if there is a fatha before waw sakin, that is lean letter, that is waw lean. And if there is a kasra before ya sakin, that is ya mad. And if there is fatha before ya sakin, that is ya lean.
Yeah, Leen. Okay.
This is just so simple to and easy to remember, easy to read.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so inshallah ta'ala, from the next next class and from the next lesson, we will be applying it. And sometime I'll ask you which one wow is this and that. Inshallah.
Sounds great. Inshallah.
And we will do the lesson 9th in next class, inshallah ta'ala. So take good care of yourself and always keep smiling, mashallah, like you are now, and be happy and healthy. See, Allahu yubarik feek wa yu'tika khairan kathira.
انت كمان الله يبارك فيك.
Wa iyyak wa iyyak. And thank you. Shukran jazila. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام.